an activation of the emergency alert system on KNA.
The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a tornado warning for south central San Mateo County and west central Santa Cruz County. The warning is in effect until 4:15 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles west of Boulder Creek, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Radar indicated its rotation. There is expected damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. Locations impacted include mainly rural areas of south central San Mateo and west central Santa Cruz counties. To stay safe, please be aware that highway overpasses are not safe shelters. If you cannot drive safely away from the tornado, as a last resort, abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area to protect yourself from flying debris. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.